The wood in this video is bog oak that I imported from the Ukraine. This small piece, light piece here, this is what the wood looks like naturally. So this is a piece of bog oak that had fallen into the river, died probably a few hundred years old. This is a younger piece, so the wood is normally a blondish color. As it sits in the water and in the sediment over the years, it starts absorbing the minerals from the water and from the sediment, giving it the darker color. And then these pieces are also cut quarters on. So you see, as I move it around and the light hits it a little different, you'll see these rays and flecks that start to show up here. Like this piece here, this is one of the ones that was carbon dated to be 5,460 years old. Each piece is going to look a little bit different coloring. As an example, this is a 3,400-year-old piece. But you see how the grain patterns are a little different and the flecks and the rays in there. But you'll notice with each of these pieces, as we move them around and the light hits them, they have a nice metallic luster to them. So when it's polished up, it's really rich looking wood. It just doesn't look like just black colored oak. This is something that's really nice. It's a type of wood you probably want to save to use on more important projects. This is a type of wood I've used it on. Well, I didn't personally use it, but on knives that I've had made for me. I've had more of them done with the bog oak than any other wood, because I figure in the near future this will be something we won't be able to get anymore. This is something they've just recovered in areas in Eastern Europe and through the Ukraine, and these are coming from a gentleman who recovered this wood. Well, he salvaged it probably about 15 years ago. Took a long time with drying it, a lot of waste as it was drying. But all these pieces that I've been able to get for him are all flawless pieces. And then I had them stabilized by Knife and Gun Finishing Supply in Arizona. In my opinion, they're the best ones out there for stabilizing wood, especially for being used on as knife handle material or as gun grips. It's really popular wood to be used on really high-end custom pistols like the 1911s and other collectible pistols.